What's going on, everybody? It's Rick. Today I'm going to go ahead and lather two shave soaps, one being Proraso and the other being Dr. Bronners. I've used Proraso before, the sandalwood scent. This one's menthol. And then I recently purchased this and I have tried to shave with it. This is peppermint and it's much more liquidy than the cream. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of do a side-by-side comparison, and then hopefully I'll go ahead and get a shave in and you can see how they both perform. Now, just kind of looking at that, it looks pretty decent. But can you see the large holes and bubbles? It's like there's nothing really to it. This here, much thicker, richer for the lather. You can see it's not dissipating. And just this sitting, you can see these bubbles are freaking huge. You know, luckily I did try this out, and overall I still got a decent shave, but it was not real fun. As soon as I basically wiped it on my face, it dissipated. Where you can see this is a nice, you know, still creamy looking lather. Just for the benefit of everybody, I will go ahead and do a shave. I'll put half of this on one side of my face, half of this on the other side of the face, and kind of go to town and do a shave. But like I said, you can see basically big air bubbles kind of equals a bad shave when it comes to slickness, and then also the lather actually staying on your face. One thing I noticed as I was shaving it off and I would dip the razor into the water to clean it off, you could hear it almost like fizzing. But like I said, if this is all you kind of know and you can make it work, like I said, it did do a good shave. It just, I had to take it a lot slower and be more thoughtful about how I was shaving, where this just kind of sticks around much better. So that's going to be it for this video. I will go ahead and get upstairs in the bathroom and then do this shave so you can see how it goes. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along and checking out the video between the two different shave soaps. Everybody have a great day.